Hi guys. Look at all the Valentine stuff. The little heart candies. Welcome back, by the way. I was just on here a minute ago. And the little jewels, ain't that cute? Stickers. Little heart stickers. Oh, that's so cute. Muss. And there's one that says love. Look at this stuff, guys. Love, love, love. Hugs. Little pom-pom stuff kids can use to decorate for the holidays. And little bands. Too cute. Alright, love you guys, bye.